121 years ago, on this day, a voice spoke from beyond the veil, a voice that shattered the old world and set fire to the new. Do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law. Doing one's will is the ultimate freedom, the greatest liberty any human being can enjoy. But most people don't have the first clue what that demands. You've been told that will is action, that it is force, that it is movement. But before you rise, you must fall. Before you expand, you must collapse inward. Before you live, you must die. I am the flame that burns in every heart of man and in the core of every star. I am life and the giver of life. Yet therefore is the knowledge of me, the knowledge of death. This is what no one understands. The first duty of a Thelemite is to find themselves to be the center of their own universe. But this is not egotism. It is the opposite. Because to reach that center, you must die. Everything false must be stripped away. Nothing but what is unshakable can survive the fire. And if you refuse, then you will never touch the power of your own soul. Only when everything false has been burned away can you become. Your occult powers are not separate from you. Nu is your refuge. Hadit is your light. And Ra-Hor-Ku is the strength, force, and vigor of your arms. When you reach this point, there is no more struggle. No more making decisions, no more second guessing, and no more seeking permission. There is only the restraint required to get the fuck out of your own way. To hold back is to wither. To resist is to be consumed. Surrender is not weakness. It is to unlock the beast within. And his number? 666. This is what it means to become the Scarlet Woman. It's not about what you give to others. It's about what you surrender to the power inside of you. Very few people have grasped that since Crowley. Most of them have been artists, performers, masters of their craft. People who gave everything of themselves to their fire, knowing that doing so would make them unstoppable. But occultists, the ones who think that memorizing a table of correspondences will bring them power. Neo-theosophists, those who try to turn Thelema into soft, digestible mysticism. And bureaucrats, the ones who clutch at policy and procedure, knowing full well they have no fire of their own. Thelema is not for those who demand fairness, and it's not for those who require permission. It's for those willing to burn away everything that they have ever known in order to become something new. Thelema is not about asking, it's not about waiting, and it's not about proving. It's about burning away everything false inside of you until only the fire is left. If you're ready, step forward. And if you're not, step aside.